Okay, I have nesting material for my new chick from last year because she's gonna lay eggs in the coconut, so time to put some nesting material in the coconut nest. And I just cleaned my toilet tank. Oh. You know that. Let's see if there's anything in here. Not yet. Hi. There you go. There she is. Say hi to the people. Hi. That's her mate, I think. Her brother. Oh, you wonder why I had those? Because this whole thing needs to be fixed. See? Yeah, a problem. And then one of my other dove. And then I think I only showed you my photo. She's in there. And I think I made a new toilet tank because, as you can see, it's kind of old, but whatever. And all the neighbors. Say hi to the people. And is one of the birds in the nest? Nope, false alarm. Bye, have a good day.